Imagine the frustration of jumping into your car on a busy morning, turning the key, and getting absolutely nothing but silence because your vehicle is convinced it is still in gear. If you have scanned your car and found the diagnostic trouble code P07B4, your transmission park position sensor or switch circuit is sending a high output voltage signal back to the computer. This is a critical safety feature designed to prevent the starter motor from engaging unless the transmission is safely in the park position. This generic powertrain diagnostic trouble code applies to all kinds of vehicles from Dodge and Toyota to Land Rover and Volkswagen. When this circuit fails or stays in a high voltage state, your powertrain control module gets confused and might prevent the car from starting entirely, or in some dangerous cases, it might even let the starter engage while you are still in drive or reverse. You might also find that you are physically unable to shift the lever out of park, or that it won't engage the park position at all. While a defective park position switch is often the main culprit, you should always start your troubleshooting with a very careful visual inspection of the external components. Crawl under the vehicle and locate all the parts associated with the circuit, including the switch and the wiring going to the powertrain control module. These parts are constantly bombarded by road salt, water, and heat from the nearby exhaust, which makes them prime candidates for corrosion and wire damage. Use your digital multimeter to check for continuity across the circuit with the power removed. You should be looking for 0 ohms of resistance, unless your specific technical data says otherwise. If you find that power is reaching the switch but nothing is coming out the other side when it is in the park position, you have likely found your broken component. Sometimes the fix is as simple as cleaning up a corroded connector with some electrical contact cleaner, or repairing a chafed wire that has been rubbing against the frame rail. Don't forget to check the technical service bulletins for your specific year and model, as manufacturers often release updated parts or software flashes if a particular sensor has a high failure rate. Taking the time to do a thorough check can save you from an expensive trip to the dealership. Should I explain how to bypass the shift lock solenoid manually, so you can at least move the car to a safer spot for repairs?